everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're in our 06 Highlander. One of the last things we did in this was replace all the struts. We went ahead and used the quick struts because of budget reasons. I mean, if I was rolling in the Benjamins, I would have used the OEM KYB Toyota stuff, but because we were on a budget and we had to do all four corners, we put the quick struts. I guess you could say this is a 6-month review. Put about 5,000 miles on it so far, but we have a little bit of an issue. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear it while I'm driving here on the highway. Probably shouldn't be recording while I'm doing this, but here we are. Anyways, the rear passenger strut is making a bunch of noise. I think the top mount is broken. It's making a pretty bad clunkety clunk clunk when you hit bumps. You hear that? Kind of hear it there. Little rumble in the back. At first I thought it was the spare tire was loose up under the car, so I checked that. But then I drove it again and then I could tell that the noise was up higher. It sounded like it was coming from the back seat. We added some occupants to the car. Let's see if we could hear this noise going over some speed bumps. Because on the road, you can hear it, but it's not too loud. There it is.
What is it?
It's the rear strut. Something's wrong with it. I think the top mount is broken. Listen. Oh. Ooh. All right, one more. Ew. Yeah, it sounds like something broken back there. So that was the noise. Here in the back, here's the driver's side. That's what it should look like. And over here on the passenger side, where is it? Oh, it's all the way down in there. So we need to go ahead and pull this strut out. You could even see the wheel is kicked inward at the top. So I already talked to the parts supplier who we got it from, and they're going to warranty it. So I need to pull it off so they could swap it out. Alright, so all I did was jack it up. Whole top of it just pulled right out. That'll make a nasty noise. Quick strut, more like quick junk. Really just blew apart, just pulled right out of the top mount. Everything just came apart. Alright, well, we got the strut warrantied. It is another quick strut. This one looks okay, so hopefully it'll last. Fingers crossed, but I figured since we got warranty, might as well give them a, what do they call it, shadow of the doubt or whatever. That maybe that one was just faulty and that this one will be alright. Alright, so we got the new strut installed. If you need a video on how to do that, I got a link up here of when I actually first installed these. But I guess that's my 6-month review. A broken strut, but it did get warrantied. See you guys in the next one.